So my plan for the next months is to try to learn how to draw on model and figure things out on how you can also do it. So my goal is basically to take any model sheet and be able to pose the character and also draw it on model in the end. So what are my steps to do that? What do I plan? So first thing is to trace poses from a model sheet perfectly and quickly. Secondly, draw from observation like I've done before on this channel. So redraw a pose perfectly and quickly. Third one, it's draw the character volumes in any position with any camera angle. Fourth one, redraw without copying. So what I mean by that is redraw the pose in simple volumes only, and then try to put the model on top of it. And I will explain further how I do that exactly later. And the fifth one is simply to draw everything from scratch with my model and see how I went in the end. So first one, trace pose. If I go a bit deeper to what I'm going to do, my objectives are to study the line really closely, to really see how the animators do their lines, because I'm pretty sure that there is some things that I don't understand, and that could be nice to really try to go deep into that. Then I want to know how long it took for me to redo a drawing if my observation skills were perfect. So I'm just going to retrace every line and see if I missed some line, I can draw them directly. How long it take me to just redo the same drawing. For example, the drawing on the right here. Even if I have to trace it, it will be a pain in the ass. It doesn't look simple. So that's interesting. And another thing is to improve my motor skills and see how many time it takes me to draw exactly the right curve or line. So a lot of time when you draw, you start a line, but you don't get it the first time. And I will also take into account that, and I will try to count how much time I fail at doing the right line directly. And lastly, with this information, I'll be able to know where I'm losing the more time in the end. Maybe it's at the motor part. Maybe I'm too slow. I'm not accurate enough with just my motor skills. And I think it's interesting to really go from tracing a pose, even if it looks a bit dumb. I think it could be interesting. So next thing is observation. My objectives here are to train my eye to see more errors when I try to draw the model. Then I will also record all my observation drawing, and I will try to see my level of accuracy at different time, and I will try to make you a video where I visualize what it looked like at 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, so you get an idea of how the precision increase with time. And I will try also to figure out at which point doesn't improve anything more. I think at the 6 hour mark should be it should be my max. Next, see how fast my observation improve between each character. I will only do one pose per character to always observe something that I have never seen before. That way I can compare my drawings on the same basis. If I draw the same model all the time, I will get some knowledge about the model, and I will more easily find stuff. But I really want to, for this exercise, make sure that it's the first time I see it, and just the raw accuracy of my observation skill that are at stake, and not like my knowledge of the character. And lastly, I will also take into account for the time that I take to redraw the character, the complexity of the character. As you've seen Saitama on the right compared to Violet from Violet Evergarden, it's not the same complexity, so can't really compare those two if I don't count the lines. And lastly, one of the objectives of observation is to build a little bit of visual library from the design I study. So I will learn how they draw their stuff, how they design it, and it's always interesting. For the third part, unfortunately, draw the character volume in any position. I've already studied that part a while back, and I will probably make a video on that later on this channel. But for now, I will just skip this step. But I think if other people try to draw a model, I think it's really an important part to know. Alright, next one. I will redo the same pose as an official drawing. So the rules, I repeat, it's I redraw the pose in simple volume like I did in the previous video where I just drew boxes for the volume of the character, and then I try to put the model on top of it. And my objective with that is to get an idea of how accurate are the pro animators. So I will try to redo how their work, and I will see a bit more closely to what's going on in the head, and also to once more compare my mistake with what the pro are doing. And finally, redraw everything from scratch. Take a model, I do the pose myself, and I put it on model. My objective is to get an idea of what my current level is. Yeah, it's the best way to know what you're capable of. Same thing as before, try to see how far and how accurate I am at different time frame. And lastly, experiment with the use of references, because I know that you can put your references under your drawing when you're creating a new pose. Even if it's not exactly the same pose, you can still get some good information, and also finding references on a lot of work done by previous animators is also pretty interesting. I don't know if you try a model like I don't know if you should do a model like Attack on Titan, where there is already a lot of episodes out. You can find a lot of references, so that's also something that animator work with, I think. So I'll try to do that. Yep. So my plan of action, how I will try to do all these things. First, I will start by doing a few hours of tracing, 2 to 10 hours, depending on if I can learn things by doing it. If I feel that it doesn't really help me, I will stop quite quickly. Then I will do 3 to 5 character observation, and each will take between 2 and 8 hours. Then I will do also 3 to 5 character that I redrew from just the posing, and then I will try to match what the animator do without looking at their final work. And finally, I will draw 3 characters from scratch on model, and I will see how good I got from all this work. So it should take around 70 hours to complete. Can work on it only 2 to 6 hours per day. So I think I can probably finish it before the end of the year, and we will see if that was a good idea, if I made some progress on drawing and model. So maybe before I start doing all this stuff, I should probably take a model and do the last exercise where I draw my model without references, like this one here. I have to do something like that, and something ugly, and then we can see the improvement at the end of those 70 hours. Anyway, Uh, I keep you updated on how it's going, and see you on the next video. Bye!